Hello and welcome everyone. As per a request I received in the comment section, I am making this video on LEIOMYOMA histopathology diagram. So this diagram is really very easy. Just you have to understand 2-3 important points. So when we make leiomyoma, we should know that leiomyoma is a benign tumor of the smooth muscle cells. So it can be found anywhere in the body where the smooth muscles are present. So commonly it is seen in the uterus and the myometrium layer because it is made up of the smooth muscle cells. So there it is the most common benign tumor. And how we make it? So we need to make the smooth muscle cells in the microscopic diagram. So we should know how it is made. So the smooth muscle cells, they are spindle shaped cells and they have got a nucleus which is cigar shaped. This nucleus is characteristically cigar shaped in case of a smooth muscle cell, and this can be asked in Viva or MCQ. And cigar shaped means the nucleus has got rounded ends. So you can see here that the nucleus has got rounded ends just like a cigar. So here you see there's a picture of a cigar and it has got a rounded end. So likewise these nucleus, they have got a rounded end. So that is the appearance of cigar shaped nucleus. So the cells are spindle shaped. So the spindle shaped cells, they have got few DDs, differential diagnosis. So like fibroblast is also spindle shaped, but there the cell has got pointed ends and the nucleus is elongated. So this is how a fibroblast look likes. Then there is the nerve cell. So the neural cells, they are serpentine in appearance and they have got a wavy nucleus. So this is how a nerve cell looks like, and this is also spindle shaped. So these are DD of spindle shaped cells, but we have to focus on smooth muscle cell in case of leiomyoma. So first of all, you know how we make a smooth muscle cell, and secondly the pattern of arrangement of these cells in case of leiomyoma. So in leiomyoma, these cells, they are arranged in the form of whorls and fascicles. So whorls means in a circular arrangement these cells are arranged, and even in the gross specimen of leiomyoma we see a whirling pattern, and then in the form of fascicles means bundles. So they can be present as intersecting fascicles also. So like this they can be intersecting fascicles and then whorls. So now we have to make these two patterns of smooth muscle cells in the microscopic diagram of leiomyoma. So let's see how we make a diagram of leiomyoma. So first we make the fascicles. So that's the bundles of smooth muscle cells. Like this. Then in between we make the whorl pattern, and we make the cigar shaped nucleus in the cell, and this nucleus is bland in appearance. It is benign, and there the cytoplasm is eosinophilic and it is moderate in amount. So here you see we try to make the whirling pattern here. So cells are arranged in a circular manner. So this is how we make a whirling pattern on microscopy. We make nucleus at the end just to save the time. So in the last we add the cigar shaped nucleus to every cell. So this is how we make the diagram: fascicles, whorls of smooth muscle cells in case of leiomyoma. We do the labeling. So fascicles, then whorls, lastly cigar shaped nucleus and eosinophilic cytoplasm. So this is how the final diagram looks like, and we can also add, and this is optional, we can add the area of hyalinization, because in leiomyoma we can see secondary changes like hyalinization, calcification, cystic change. So here you can make the pink eosinophilic smooth area of hyalinization, and you can add it in the microscopic diagram. And one more important point, that the immunohistochemical markers for smooth muscle cells, they are smooth muscle actin, then desmin, taldesmon. Can come in MCQ, can be asked in Viva. Lastly, this diagram from the Robbins, just to explain it, this is the gross specimen of uterus with cervix, and you can see then these are the leiomyomas or fibroids. So this is a leiomyoma projecting into the endometrial cavity, and this is in the muscle layer. Again, this is in the myometrium. So these are different leiomyomas which are present in different locations. And this is a microscopic diagram showing these smooth muscle cells arranged as fascicles, and this is the hyaline change. So these are the areas of hyalinization. So these are pink and smooth areas of hyalinization. So I have also uploaded earlier the lecture on the tumors of myometrium. So you can find it in the playlist Pathology of Uterus, and in that, in Pathology of Uterus part 3, you will find the lecture on leiomyoma, and I would recommend you to go through it. I will provide the link in the description. So thank you very much. I hope this video is helpful for you, and comments are welcome in the comments and feedback, they are most